This is the new GOGOING Handheld vacuum. It's cordless and it comes with 3 attachments. It even has a handy flashlight. You can plug it up for a charge, and then you're free to take it wherever you like. Three handy attachments, nice sleek design, interesting. Let's try it out. It can pick up lots of debris, all into the handy compartment. Then you dump it, and we're all set to go.
This vacuum is awesome. It's really lightweight, really cute design, really easy. Comes with 2 handles. And easy charging port. It's handheld and cordless. Highly recommend. Look how cute.